You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the full-size pickup that's strong, quiet, and dependable with the latest technology to keep you connected while you get the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks, power steering. Powerful versatility meets comfortable convenience in the Silverado 1500. Come in and drive it.